Meaning of flatmate.
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 Flatmate. A flatmate is a person who shares a rented apartment or house with another person or group of people. This arrangement involves sharing communal living spaces, such as the kitchen, living room, and bathroom. Flatmates may also share expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. This living situation can be a cost-effective way to split living expenses while also providing companionship and social interaction. However, it also requires some level of compromise and communication between flatmates to ensure a harmonious living environment.